Do you want to listen and understand conversations more easily? Or maybe you want to improve your pronunciation and speak naturally. If that sounds like you, then stay with us. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to channel. My name is Leo.
My name is Anna. Nice to see you again.
Let me ask you a question. Do you feel nervous when you go grocery shopping in English?
Do you forget simple words like milk, bread, or rice?
In today's lesson, we'll use an interesting story to help you learn. You'll practice common phrases, pronunciation, and real-life expressions. A story about grocery shopping. Now, just listen. Relax. Don't worry about every word.
John, are you free now?
Yes. Why?
I need to go grocery shopping.
What do you need to buy?
I need milk, eggs, bread, and some fruit.
Okay, let's go together.
Great. Shopping is easier with a friend.
Here we are. This grocery store is big.
Yes. Let's make a list first.
Good idea. Milk, eggs, bread.
And apples. I like apples.
Me too. They are healthy.
Where is the milk?
It's in aisle 3.
Thank you.
Here is the milk.
There are many types.
Do you want full milk or low-fat milk?
Low-fat milk, please.
Okay, put it in the cart.
Now, eggs.
Here they are. Dozen eggs.
Good. Be careful, they are fragile.
Don't worry, I got it.
What about bread?
White bread or brown bread?
Brown bread. It's better for health.
Agreed.
Now, fruit.
Apples look fresh today.
Yes. Let's buy 6 apples.
Anything else?
Maybe some vegetables. Carrots and tomatoes.
Good choice.
Okay, let's go to the cashier.
Hello, do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
That will be $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card.
Done.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
That was easy.
Yes, and fun.
Now, let's learn useful grocery words. Repeat after us. Grocery store, meaning a shop to buy food. Example, I go to the grocery store. Milk, meaning white drink from cows. Example, I buy milk. Bread, meaning food made from flour. Example, I eat bread for breakfast. Eggs, meaning food from chickens. Example, I cook eggs. Fruit, meaning apples, bananas, oranges. Example, I like fruit. Shopping cart, meaning a cart to hold food. Example, put it in the cart. Pay by card, meaning use a bank card. Example, I pay by card.
Now it is time to practice speaking.
We will ask you questions about the story.
I want you to answer out loud. Don't be shy.
Did Mary go shopping alone? No, she went with John.
What did Mary buy? Milk, eggs, bread, fruit.
Did Mary like apples? Yes, she did.
Where was the milk? In aisle 3.
Did John pay by card? Yes, he did.
Excellent. You are speaking English.
Great job.
You listened. You answered. That is real learning.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Every sentence helps your brain.
English is a skill.
And skills grow with practice.
If you enjoyed this lesson, Please like this podcast.
Subscribe to Daily English Listening Stories for more real-life English.
Watch the next episode.
Practice every day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.